The curls are just the bomb. Look at that. It's like every strand of curls are well defined.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another video for this channel. In this channel, I love to do wash and go, so I will be doing yet again another wash and go, this time with another balm gel. And the gel that I will be using is Aunt Jackie Ice Curls Gel. So this is what it is looking like. I can remember when I first went back natural, and Jackie's brand was one of the first brand that I used in natural hair products. But I never tried the gel. So I was like, why not go ahead and try this gel, seeing that I'm on the gel review topics. So yeah, this gel, it is all about glossy curling jelly, and it is for natural curls, coils, and waves. So of course, sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and also no silicones. We love that. Enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. I have to look into what is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is also rich in mucilage, a thick substance made up of protein and polysaccharide. This texture makes marshmallow root an effective detangler, so you can brush your hair more easily. Marshmallow root also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can help with certain scalp conditions. And what caught my eye about this gel, mostly it says that use daily or as needed, works best when used on clean, wet or damp hair. But the most important thing, for wash and go styles. So when I read this, I was like, I have to go ahead and do a review on this gel. If you guys have ever tried this gel, leave some comments down below. Let me know how this gel work out for you. But today we're gonna see how this gel will work on my hair. So of course we have to do the smell test. Mm, I'm gonna say it smells just like perfume. I know that I say this often, but these gels really do smell like perfume. Let's check the consistency. So it is clear. Okay, it is thick. It is thick. Let me go ahead and flip it to see if it will fall out. Okay, so this gel, it is really thick, you guys. It is not budging. So I'm about to go ahead and test it out. Of course, I will be using one of my favorite go-to brushes, which is the bounce curl brush, to do my wash and go. And yes, I'm about to start. So my hair is already sectioned. I went ahead and I sectioned it in the shower, and of course I'm gonna start on this part right here. And of course, I love to section my hair. This is something that I see very often. My hair is thick, so I have to go ahead and section it to get best results. Well defined curls, I have to section. So I'm gonna start off with this part. My hair is feeling really soft, you guys. I recently changed my shampoo and conditioner and I'm loving it. I have to go ahead and do a video on how I wash my natural hair, so look out for that video. And of course I'll be sharing my shampoo and my conditioner. I'm loving it, and the conditioner has my hair feeling very soft. And yeah, on this channel I love to do reviews of gel without applying conditioner as base. I love to give the gels 100% chance and applying it in my hair. That way I can see and I can really tell if the gel will work for me without having any conditioner in to distract it and so on. So I'm gonna start. Let's do this. I'm always excited when trying out like gel for the first time. So okay, I'm gonna start on this part. Oh, okay, this is going on very oily. Wait, let me see. Did I read about any oils? Yes, I did mention that it has almond oil in it. Okay. Well, it is very oily. It's going on very oily. My hand is already feeling oily. So, you guys know what that means. That means that the curls will dry really moisturized, really soft. Oh wow, this is a really moisturizing gel. I'm already feeling all the moisture in this gel. Oh my gosh. I hope it won't be too oily or too sticky. Okay, but it is going on very smoothly. Let me go ahead and use my brush. Okay, I did read about the shine. Okay, I'm loving it. So far, the curls are really bouncy, really light. Yes, really, really light. Okay, Aunt Jackie's ice curl. I'm seeing you, but let's not talk too fast. Let me proceed, you guys. I oftentimes get asked this question: how do I get my hair so curly? Your curls are so well defined. And I reply simply by saying, patience. You have to have patience with your natural hair. Never do your hair when you're in a rush. Okay, you guys, as you guys can see, this part is now done. Take a look. So far, I really find that my curls will not dry with a crunch because it is already giving me soft, really soft curls. But the curls are defined, and that is the most important thing to me is the curls definition. And so far, I'm not seeing any frizz. Never do your hair when you're tired. Never do your hair when you don't feel like doing it. Patience is key for everything in life, also for natural hair.
There's things about me you just have to know. Sometimes.
Okay, you guys, I am now finished with the back of my hair. I'm gonna start on the front. Look at this curl. So let's go. My hair is still dripping wet to the front. This gel is truly giving me some really nice curl definition. Just take a look at this one. This strand of curl is just perfect. And as you guys can see, I am not raking the gel onto the hair. I'm smoothing it. I'm smoothing it onto the hair. I believe once you rake the gel in the hair, you can pull out your hair. So I am smoothing it, which is the shingling method. So yeah, I'm doing all of that. And once the gel is on, I then now use the bounce curl. And then because I am extra, I love to go back in and really clump the curls together. I'm loving the shine that this gel is giving me. I am loving it. There you go, guys. And I'm gonna continue some more and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. So as you guys can see, I have done the two sides of my hair and now I'm gonna do the special technique. Probably you guys have already seen it all over because all natural hair girls, most of them, they love to do that. So this is creating the invisible parts. So I no longer separate my hair, do that part either to the side or to the front. And then when you look, when you turn in the back of your hair, you can see that line going straight to the back. I no longer do that. So I'm now doing a new method when I put everything, I let everything fall to the front, and then after at the very end, I then flip my hair and then the curls would fall wherever they please to fall. So I love that method and I'm gonna do it right now. Yes, I'm finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel and I love the curl definition, you guys. I am loving this gel so far. We have to see once the curls dry, we have to see the outcome. But so far, I am well pleased. Outside and a better lighting. And yes, I'm gonna give my review. My hair is still wet, but nevertheless, I'm gonna give my review, and then once the hair is dry, I'm gonna come back and give my final review. Overall, how do I feel about this gel? You guys, I am loving it so far. I'm loving it. I love the fact that it has my hair looking well rich, well dark. The curls are just the bomb. Look at that. It's like every strand of curls are well defined. Look, I am loving it, you guys. Pop. I used a good bit. This is what I leave back with. I used a good bit because my hair is thick, but nevertheless, so far, so good. I will now let my hair dry, and then after that, I'll come back and give my final review. But so far, okay, you
I'm
guys,
loving it.
I am back with the results. So this is what my hair is looking like. Oh, this gel is screaming volume. It is screaming fluff. It is screaming so lightweight. Oh, I am loving this gel, you guys. Ooh, I am loving the gel. This gel, it is so light. And of course, as I predicted, it dried very soft. My curls are soft to the touch, and I'm loving it. Let me turn to the back for you guys to see. So this is the results, you guys. Woo! So just in case if you guys have tried this gel, go ahead and let me know how was your results. Did you love this gel? I'm loving it, you guys. I am loving it. Mm. So you guys, if you love this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And of course, I'll be bringing some more natural hair content. So until the next video, bye.
I wanna believe in everything that you say, 'cause it sounds so good. But if you really want me, move slow.